Hello, welcome to Math 1324. This is Chapter 10, Section 4, Example 5. In this example, we want to solve 2 to the x equals 1 over 16. And, well, frankly, this is not much different from what we saw before. And in Section 5, it will actually be easier to solve this using logarithms, but until we get there, let's solve it using exponentials. Here's the thing. The base is 2 here in x power. There's nothing we can do with the left-hand one. This 1 over 16, however, there is something we can do there. So let's do something with that. I don't really like having a fraction here and not a fraction here. In other words, this is greater than 1, this is less than 1, or between 0 and 1. And because of that, something has to happen. Something has to change. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this a little bit to make this look like the following. Now, these two equations are not the same equation. So why did I just do that? Well, if you take a fraction and you flip it, that is perfectly legal if you do one thing. And that's take it to the negative exponent. So to the negative 1 as an exponent. So now these two equations are equivalent equations. Awesome. Notice now that I have a base of 2 and a base of 16, and that is something I can deal with. So I'm going to take that 16, and I'm going to find its prime factorization. Well, 16 is 4 and 4, and 4 is 2 and 2 for each one of these. Prime, 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 prime. So they're all primes. Notice they're all 2's, and how many 2's do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So we have 4 2's. That's a 2, 2 to a 2, 2. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm going crazy with that joke. Anyway, 2 to the x equals, instead of 16, let's write it as 2 to the 4th power. All to the negative 1 power. Now, we have to be very careful about this. And the reason I say that is because this to the negative 1 is true, but then we have to multiply the 4 by negative 1. And that's actually going to give me 2 to the x is equal to 2 to the negative 4. And the reason we have to multiply them is because if you remember the PEMDAS, exponentials always go down a degree. So if we are multiplying, excuse me, if we are having an exponential to an exponential, you have to multiply the exponentials. And then just set the exponents equal to each other. And solve. Oh, look, it's already solved. I'm so sad to hear that. I know you are too. Anywho, that's pretty much it. I will see you in the next video. Have fun.